Hey everyone, this is me before enhancing my voice, and this is me after enhancing my voice. If you are surprised, I'm going to show you how this tool works completely for free. All you have to do, type Adobe Voice Enhancer and click on this link, podcast.adobe.com. I'm going to share it in the description as well. Choose your file, upload an MP3 file. It takes around half a minute just to enhance this audio file. After that, you can select how much you want from speech and how much you want from the background. I recommend that 12% from the background as well, because it makes it a bit more natural, not only your voice, without any background noise. You can always switch back to the original and listen to it and switch to enhanced voice as well. If you're satisfied with your result, which I'm going to show you now, whoa, Anthropic launched Cloud Desktop and it feels like an assistant in taskbar. Double tap option on. So this was a text-to-speech from me, which I wanted to enhance a bit more. And actually, I didn't really like this first whoa. So I just make an edit, and then the left corner opens a whole another window. It will transcribe it automatically and give me the whole transcription here in this editor window, where I can just select like the vowel, delete it, and it will be deleted from my audio file. And do it in the middle of the sentence as well. If I don't like caps lock, just delete caps. As you can see, window to feed it context instantly. Flips into a microphone, letting me prompt hands. It just deleted that single 2 words. This is a really powerful tool to edit your videos or voices or your podcasts. If you want to include something, you cannot add, but if you want to delete something, this is a really good tool. After you're satisfied with the result, just hit export and you can download in an MP3 format, clicking here. If for some reason you only need the txt file, so the transcript, you can just hit this button and it will transcribe the whole thing and download it into your computer. Going back to our main window, I would like to explain that you have 1 hour of free. Going back here, there is one thing I was missing, that I was completely using the audio from my laptop, which is completely crappy. However, after a while, coming back here into the main page, I would like to explain that I'm using my laptop audio, as you saw in the first 2 sentences. This was completely a crappy audio. However, I use this enhancer to showcase how good it is actually. You cannot replace all the 600 € microphones with this. However, to get started and to get to a really satisfactory level, it is perfect. With the free plan, you can have up to 1 hour of free generations each and every day, and each file can contain 30 minutes of audio. However, with the premium plan, you can have up to 4,000 minutes each and every single day, which is insanely crazy. But if you're editing on bulk, this is one of the best options as well. From the plan, you can see here, and I would recommend starting with the free plan and only upgrade to the premium when you have enough material to work with. You can try it with a 30-day free trial and just experience with it in the first place. So this was my short description how this tool works. I hope you liked it. And if you did, please subscribe because it helps my channel a lot, and write in the description what to showcase next. Thank you for staying till the end and see you in the next video.